Alright, so we're going to have a quick lesson here on using the revolve tool in Fusion. So I have a little sketch here. This is a side profile from the sewing spool that we looked at. Okay, so this is just a spool that holds thread for sewing. We kind of drew the side profile of it and then cut it in half. So when you use the revolve tool, you only need to draw half of the circular shape that you're gonna. Okay, so just looking at this, you can sketch this out and put in the dimensions. Okay, and then to use the revolve tool, it's right next to the extrusion tool. The first thing you want to do is click on the profiles that you want to revolve. So in our case, it's these 3 polygons. And then you're going to click on the axis tool over on the right hand side, just under the profiles. Okay, and then when you select the axis, you want to select it on the axis that you want this shape to go around or about. Okay, so I hit select on axis, and then I'm going to click that vertical portion in the middle. Okay, and now I have this kind of general shape of a spool that would hold thread. Okay, and you can change the angle on this, right? You can extrude part of a 360-degree shape if you wanted to. There are applications for that. Okay, but for this one, we're going to do a full extrusion. All right, stay tuned for the next lesson.